Want to set up an auto-reply in Zoho Mail? Let's get it done, quick and easy.
So, you're going on vacation or just can't get to your inbox. A good auto-reply is key.
It lets people know you got their message so they're not left hanging. Super simple.
In Zoho Mail, this is called the out-of-office feature. Let's go set it up.
All right, let's jump in. First things first, you got to find the out-of-office settings.
First, just pop in the start and end dates. This tells Zoho exactly when to run it.
Next up, who gets this message? You actually have a lot of control here. Let's check it out. Okay, so you can set one message for people inside your company and a different one for everyone else.
For your coworkers, just write your message here. You can even tack on your signature to keep it professional.
All right, now for folks outside your company, make sure this little box is checked first.
You can choose reply to everyone, just your contacts, or maybe only people who aren't your contacts.
And hey, pro tip, want to keep it simple? Just check this box to use the same message for everybody.
Okay, now for the advanced stuff. This part is about how often people get your auto-reply.
So should they get it just once, or maybe every few days? You get to decide.
This is a great one. You can choose to only reply if your email is in the to line.
And what about your calendar?
Yep, you can have Zoho automatically decline events for you.
You can tell it to decline new events or even existing ones, clearing your schedule completely.
And that's pretty much it. Just hit that save button and you are all set. So let's do a quick recap. We went to Settings, set the dates, wrote the message, and tweaked the rules. And there you have it. Now you know how to keep everyone in the loop while you're away.